Today we're going to learn how to draw in 1 point perspective. Some of you may have done this before in previous art classes and some of you maybe haven't. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you have a pencil and a ruler. And what you're going to do is you're going to lay your ruler horizontally across the top of your paper. About an inch from the top. Does not have to be perfect, you don't need to measure it. You're going to draw a line along your ruler, and that's going to be called your horizon line. That's the line where the sky meets the picture plane. The second thing you need to do is you need to draw a vanishing point. A vanishing point is the place where everything vanishes. As things get farther away from us, they get smaller, and eventually they disappear from our sight. That happens at the vanishing point. So put a dot in the middle of your horizon line for your vanishing point. You can draw anything you want in 1 point perspective, but let's start with a square or rectangle. When you have your square or rectangle, you're going to line up each corner with the vanishing point and trace a line. You're going to do that with all 3 corners. Line up the corner, trace to the vanishing point. Line up a corner, trace to the vanishing point. You can see it already kind of looks like it's going back and disappearing towards the line. If you want, you can do that last corner, and then your shape would look like it was see-through. But if you want a solid shape, you don't have to do that corner. You can do this with any shape. So we're going to try it next with a triangle. And once you have your triangle, again, line your ruler up at the vanishing point and each corner of your triangle. You can also do this with curved shapes. This is a little trickier. So what I like to do with curved shapes is I like to put my pencil on the vanishing point and push my ruler up against it. And then I turn my ruler until it's just barely touching the side of my curved shape, so that it goes all the way to the edge. So again, I put my pencil on the vanishing point and I push my ruler up against my pencil, and then I just turn it until it's just touching the edge of that curved shape.